We were contacted by a client who created her dream kitchen using an AI application, and she wanted things done to the exact specifications. So we decided to take on the challenge. Now, it took a lot of planning and coordination because we wanted to get it exactly right. And the cabinetry, oh man, we went to our cabinet maker and he was up for the challenge. So he went to every little detail, from the color and the grain of the wood to the exact matched charcoal paint on the upper cabinetry. And even these cabinets have a soft close finish that you can slightly shut it, since our client has a toddler. Now, my favorite part is that each of these cabinets have installed separators so that you can have a spice rack and also fit all those spoons and spatulas that never seem to fit when you buy those containers at the store. So each element was thought out very delicately and specifically for our client. Now, she asked for a modern, elegant designer kitchen. So this stovetop, this Bosch induction stovetop, is also an elegant touch because it doesn't take away from the lines of this kitchen. Whereas many gas ranges, they just add an element of bulkiness to it. So this looks beautiful in my opinion. And this is a highlighted feature that I love, is that we did a triple filtration system so that she can get delicious fresh water straight from her sink. And the sink itself is a granite basin sink. It's a full size, so it's easy to do some additional dishes. Our client is also a chef and loves to host people in her home. So she requested a custom wine rack designed in the cabinetry. So as I stand in this kitchen, I actually feel quite small. And our client requested that the cabinetry be pulled all the way up to the ceiling. So not only does it give the element of height and that illusion, but it also gives more storage space. So keep following along as we show you more projects.